Beauty of it all. The balcony. Look at this view. Take it. You take it.
Yeah.
Yes, I am alright. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We are on vacation. You guys see my fan? We're going in the mountains, about an hour and a half drive from home, and I'm not leaving my fan, girl. So we packed everything that we'll be needing for the next few days and we're heading on vacation. And it feels good to just be leaving home for a while. Because of coronavirus, we can't really do no traveling. So we decided to stay in the area. So it's really a staycation, vacation, whatever you want to call it. So the entire family is here. We pack all our goodies. Say morning, husband.
Hi guys, good morning.
Sarah, say morning. Say morning. Tyler. Wagwan. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys will be enjoying our few days coming up of vacation vlogs starting right now. So if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe to catch up and keep up with the fam bam, turn on your notifications to not miss anything. And we are off to the mountains with one crying baby, and let's see how Tyler will manage the motions going up the hill. We make some adjustments. We finally got something from the pharmacy to try and get his motion sickness under control. So we changed up his eating a bit this morning, so let's see how best he'll handle that. Fingers crossed that he'll be okay for the most part. Anyway, let's go enjoy the vacation. We had to stop. We had to stop on the road. Tyler vomit one time. Normally if he didn't take that medicine and I didn't fix his seat, he would have vomit probably 3 times already. So what we did help, but he still vomit, and then he was hungry, Sarah was hungry, still didn't nap. So it's lunchtime actually. Sarah, look there. See your face there? Look up. So everybody's eating. I fed Sarah. Babe. And Starlight's beside me eating. How you feeling, Ty?
Good.
You feel good? You're just hungry?
Yes.
So he's eating a sandwich and we won't let him drink anything
Yeah.
because the liquid will make him vomit even more. So we're just taking a quick stop though.
She wants
Eat.
some.
So give her, put it at her mouth. Sarah, did you say please? Good job, Ty. So we're just eating, long story short, and then we're gonna head back on the road. You guys, I just found a waterfall in the mountain. Finally reached, and we are 2 hours in advance of the time that we need to receive our keys, but we knew that we wanted to reach here way in advance. So let me just show you guys around the area that we are right now. So this is what the housing looks like. Window, yeah, that's the bus in front of me. Sarah is here and our new stroller, and this is the mountainside. This is the slopes for snowing during the winter, and for some of those are the cables going up. We'll go there so you guys will eventually get to see. But there's a river here coming down. I'll show you guys what that looks like as we go in there right now. Isn't that beautiful? Right where we stand, there's a river. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Go on. So we're discovering our surrounding. There's a little mall, but a lot of the stores are closed.
Yeah, I guess.
Because of the time of day, and also some of them is winter season.
And dinner.
Yeah. Go! I said go! One thing with France is that place open for lunch and dinner and closed for the rest of the day. Lunch hour and dinner hour. It's not like USA or Jamaica where store open from morning till afternoon. Most of these places. You find me back?
Yes, I think I know that from the other way.
Yeah, because it's a circle. You went in a circle. So we're just discovering this little mall. There's a few restaurants and bars around. As you guys can see, this one closed after lunch and setting up for dinner already. Menu look nice.
The place looks
Nice. Wow, look at those desserts in there. I haven't showed you guys the tummy song here. Look at it. Hi. A sweet boy, you alright? So we're taking a little stop to have something to drink. Talon's having a nice day. It's yummy? Sarah, what you having? You having Billy and Bam Bam, her tablet and clapping.
Oh, he's sharing ice cream. A little bit for Tyler, a little bit for Sarah.
Sarah rather clapping right now. Hold it, she clapping. Take it. You take it.
You right?
Yes, I am alright. The kids playing in these little houses. Oh, she's happy? Hey, Diddy! Hey, what you doing in there?
Mama, can you come?
Me? You want me to come?
Prettier than you.
Huh?
It's prettier than you.
What do you mean it's prettier than me?
It's prettier than you.
It's prettier than you?
Yes.
Than new? What do you mean?
It's more pretty if it was new. New.
It is new.
Oh.
Mama.
What's this?
Did you just say mama?
I hear.
Did you hear she just said mama, right?
Yes.
Mama. Mama.
What's this drawing in blue?
Go to Tyler. See Tyler there, Sarah. Look. Sarah, come. Go in the house, let she see you. Go in the blue one. No. Sarah, come. Tyler, let she see you. Go that way so she see you.
Papa, tu peux venir alors tu es bienvenue.
La Poste. I'm coming to pick up my mail. I have 2 mail in here. One named Sarah and one named Tyler. So these are some little houses in the play area. They're so cute. You have one there, one here. My mail, come to me. This one's a La Poste. It's the post office. And then you have more here. The one down there says boulangerie. That's the bread pastry place. That one have a cow face on it. I guess that's the milk place. Sarah, Sarah, I love the post office. Come. She come out. Oh, that one says epicery. That one says epicery mean it's seasoning. She's just laughing.
Si vous voulez rentrer, vous êtes bienvenue. C'est pour tout le monde. C'est que pour 4 personnes. Que 4 personnes. So come, Mama, come. Come inside, Mama.
I'm coming.
Papa et Maman, vous pouvez venir, s'il te plaît, là-dedans. Tu peux venir dedans, Papa. Tu peux venir dedans.
Hi, gorgeous girl. Hi.
Mama,
Yes.
I have a farm.
Go, slide. Slide. Why are you in the baby slide? Go on the big kid slide. Where is sister? Hello, Sarah. Hi. Come, slide. Come. Come. Sit here. One. Put her to sit on the dress. Put the dress under her bottom. Whoa. Yeah? Whoa! She like it. Slide. Go, go, go. Whoa! Again, Sarah. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? And go. We found a playground for the kids, so they're having fun. So we have to be watching Sarah Key because she's taking up every stone. Chikaka? So this is a view of the entire village space of where we're staying. Show you guys an idea. I can imagine when it's winter how beautiful it is with all the snow, all this mountain. So we are heading to get our keys right now. What? You don't want me to talk to the face? Huh? You don't want me to tell them what we're doing? You funny girl. We had a drink earlier. That was good. Explore the place a bit. And now we're gonna get our keys. Okay guys, so let me give you guys a quick room tour as we reach our room. So this is what it is when we enter. You have a nice hallway. So let's see, there's a first door here. Oh, so that's a bedroom. And they give us fresh sheets, fresh towels, a bedside lamp. And this is the view from this bedroom right there. Looking good. Let's see what's here. I'm discovering with you guys. I just walk in. Okay, so everything in there. You have a safe here to lock your things. You have pillows and comforter in there. So that's cool. So that's one room. It's looking good. And then you have somewhere to hang your jackets here. And who doesn't like a full-size mirror, honey? Yes, full-size mirror girl. All right, there's another door here. Let's see. Okay, that's just electricity. Back up. That's electricity under there. And then hold down, the suitcase is in this way. There's another door here. Okay, nice. There's a closet with vacuum and hangers to hang and store stuff. Wait, let's see this door first. Move this, please. Let's see what's behind this door. Okay, there goes the toilet.
Look what is in here. The bathroom.
And in here
Is the bathroom.
is the bathroom. Had to be, right?
Yes.
So you have a nice clean shower. And what I like about here, it's so clean, spick and span. And you have towels and stuff. Alright, and then you walk in this space, and we have behind here the kitchen. We have dishwasher. Have a nice little dishwasher here. We have a fridge with freezer. We have microwave. You have cupboards to store your things. Where's the oven? There's no oven. You have plates and stuff in there. And down here you have garbage bin. And in here, oh, you have pots and bowls and kettles and toaster. And then you have the little eating section right there. And then you have the couch, which can also be turned into beds here.
And a little balcony.
And then the beauty of it all, the balcony. Look at this view. Can you imagine during winter time the beauty of this? Me baby? la la. Come babe. Here, Sarah saying mama. Yay! So vacation is official. Alright you guys, we are going to actually go ahead and end today's vlog here because we are tired. We give you guys the full tour of where we're staying, and now we're just gonna go Husa for the rest of today. So hope you guys enjoy day 1 of vacation, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the days. Say bye.
What later?
But what later?
Later.
You ready? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's time for you to get out of this, girl. To go explore your new space, girl. Maybe. Oh, there goes the stroller, fell on its butt. And we bring Sarah's bed. So that's good. Oh, and there's also a little TV right here. So that's the space. Beautiful. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Honey, taking it all in? Jeez, the view from where I'm standing. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Take the kids and go stand right there. I want a picture. Take Sarah. Oh my god. Tyler, stand beside Papa.